Hello, my name is Bryson Agbosu and welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to introduce you to the pen tool. If you use Adobe Illustrator, then it's almost certain that you use the pen tool when creating your parts. Like we pen down our thoughts on blank paper using a mechanical pen, in the digital world or in design, we pen down our thoughts on an artboard using the pen tool. Being able to use this vector tool, we should be able to create different kinds of shapes, parts, whether it is a curve or a closed shape or a straight path. The Adobe pen tool is a very essential tool. Having a deeper understanding of the pen tool and being able to use it can help you as a designer to create digital pictures, infographics, icons, logos, outlines for 3D projects, and any other thing that you can think of. Let's start working. Activate your pen tool. Click to create a first anchor point. Hold the shift key. Slide your mouse in an angle direction, in a 45-degree direction. Click to create the next point, and we come to the final point. When we are able to create that, hit on enter, and we would have created our open path. The next item we're going to do is to create this shape that we have over here. So activate your pen tool by clicking on P. Click to create the first anchor point. Hold the shift key. Now we slide up. Click. We slide down to create the next point. Slide down to create the third, and now we head to the end and we close this path. Alternate between the fill and the stroke, and we will have created our beautiful shape over here. So yeah, this is okay. Now let's create a final shape over here. Click to create the first anchor point. Hold the shift key. Let's slide to an angle. We click to create the next path. We slide to the left, and that is on the horizontal line. We create the next point. Then we slide down vertically to create the final anchor point. And so we've been able to create the final shape using the pen tool. Now, if you have been able to create these straight lines with your pen tool, then I believe we can head on to creating these curves with our pen tool. Now with this, what we are going to do is to activate our pen tool, click to create the first anchor point, but don't release. Just hold on the shift key and drag the mouse up so that, as you can see the circle over here, when it's on this same angle or on this same stretch, all we can do is to release at this point. Now we head to a suitable space between. We click to create the next anchor point. Hold the shift key again and drag your mouse down, and make sure that the circle is in line with what you have been able to create previously. And by that I just meant this handle. As you can see, these handles, make sure that they are all on the same level, and you'll be able to create this. Now, if you want to close this single curve, all you need to do is to activate your pen tool again, click the end point, and we head to the first anchor point, and this would have been closed. Let's create the next point. So this one is going to be a continuous curve. It is going to be a continuous curve. So we activate our pen tool again, click to create the first anchor point, hold the shift key and drag this up. Now we head to a suitable space between. Click again, hold the shift key and drag your mouse down. Make sure that the handles are on the same level. Now you can release. Move again to the side click at this point, hold the shift key and drag your mouse up and make sure that the handles are on the same level. So you can continue with this process until you exhaust your page or your artboard. And so we've been able to create a continuous curve. Now the final thing we would want to try is this angle, the 45-degree or the angle curve that we have over here. It's the same thing as what we just created, but with this, all you need to do is to move the mouse in the arrow of in the direction of 45-degree. That's a 45-degree angle. So click to create your first anchor point, hold the shift key and drag the mouse to the 45-degree angle, and this would have been created. Now we move to a reasonable space between the first anchor point and the next that we are going to create. So you click, hold, and then by holding the shift key, we drag again to the 45-degree angle, and we would have created our next shape. You can continue the process. Hit on enter and you would have created your next path. So if you have been able to create this, then you're on your way to having greater control over the pen tool. Thank you very much for watching. My name is Bryson Agbosu. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, kindly do so. Follow me, like this video, and share with your friends. Thank you very much for watching.